Hey, Adam with High Island Organics. I want to talk to you about our first and original product, our High Island All Purpose Organic Fertilizer. In case you haven't used it yet, it's a 432. It's OMRI certified. It's a great product. We've had rave reviews from everyone from the small hobby gardener up to full-scale organic growing operations, up to a couple hundred acres in size. So folks across the state and actually across the country have been really pleased with what they've seen. The plants have all had really great growth, especially compared to our competitors, and our price point is just right. So if you want to order some, I would really suggest go online to shop.highislandorganics.com, or if you live in Minnesota, check out our, or actually in Iowa, check out our retail partners. We'd love for you to support small local businesses that have taken a chance on us, so want to send some business their way. So check out our retail partners online as well. We can ship to all 50 states, so feel free to check it out, shop.highisland.com.